talk something about the knowledge and reality, the experiential knowledge versus the theoretical knowledge. You know, there was something called the concept called making money, and all the people nowadays was like think and grow rich, the magic of being rich, the lot of things and books were written on money psychology and lot of other things. And I was talking with one of the person who was really rich, who has started from the ground and made himself to a very good level of societal standards, and he was working with lot of various publication houses and other things. And he gave me a beautiful thing. He gave me a different insight regarding the money and other thing, regarding understanding what theory is and what practical is, what theoretical aspects of knowledge is, and what the real result, the real reality is. And when I had a conversation with him, I understand certain perspectives regarding it. There are different authors who will write a book on millionaire, billionaire, and in Pune, if you go, there are a lot of publication houses, and in that publication houses there are a lot of authors who will write the book like how to become a millionaire, billionaire, and on making money and other thing. But at the end of the day, they are broke. They are in debt. Financially, they are zero. And you know why it happens? Because even they know all those things, even they know about the psychology, even they know about the mindset, even they know about a lot of strategies of making money, but it's all the theory in the mind. If you are the person, it might be regarding money, it might be regarding something else. It might be regarding money, it might be regarding health, it might be regarding relationship, it might be regarding dating. This kind of people you will find similar everywhere. I was talking with a person who was very well read about diet, health, nutrition and other things, but when he was speaking, he was already talking a lot of intellectual stuff, but it was not creating the impact on me. You know why? Because he was obese, he was too fat, even though he knew all those things, but when he speaks, nothing was impacting. The same applies with dating, same applies with relationship. A lot of people will give this blah 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 excuses, and when it comes to their own dating, like this like it's miserable. Don't never be that guy. Understand, there is one thing called theoretical knowledge and another is called experiential knowledge. What we want is the real experiential knowledge. Don't block yourself. Okay, I will read the book and I will come to understand everything. When I was in that illusion of like reading lot of books, it created a mental chaos in my mind. So I will share you my example. The first time in my life, the first book in my life I read was You Can Win by Shiv Khera. And I read the book. Okay, the book was amazing. It brought a different impact in me, and I went to after a couple of months, the author of the book, Shiv Khera, he came to Nagpur, and I thought maybe I should attend or I should watch. But there was one of my friend. अरे ऐसा क्या नया बताएगा? वो वही बताएगा ना जो book में लिखा है. And he didn't came. Although he also have read that book, I also have read that book, and a lot of people might have read that book, You Can Win by Shiv Khera. When I attended his workshop, I found that okay, whatever he's saying, whatever he's telling, although the concepts and all the experiences and the stories that he's telling are already written in the book, but the way I interpreted it was a very different. That's the real difference between having a theoretical approach and learning from theory and learning by practically experimenting yourself. It has a lot to do. Suppose, for example, there is someone who lives near Taj Mahal and he visits Taj Mahal daily, and there is someone who has studied a lot about Taj Mahal but never visited it. There will be a different shift in both of them's perspective, and that's how The theoretical knowledge, the understanding of theoretical knowledge can put you into delusion, but the practical knowledge will lead you to somewhere, and that's what we call experiential knowledge. The knowledge should come from experience, because no matter what you say, people at a certain period of time experience matter. Always speak from experience, not from knowledge. Stay tuned.